Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's transforming education as we know it. Let's talk about online learning. It's a phenomenon that's been growing rapidly over the past few years. It's huge. More people than ever are learning online. From high school students to working professionals, everyone is jumping on the bandwagon. Why? It's convenient, it's flexible, and it opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine being able to take a course from a top university without leaving your home. Think about it, you can learn anything, anytime, anywhere. Pretty cool, right? Whether you're in a park, a cafe, or your living room, the classroom is wherever you are. This boom in online learning has created a massive demand for online tutors. These are individuals who can provide personalized guidance and support to students. That's right, people who can guide and support students in this digital age. Tutors are now using digital tools to make learning more interactive and engaging. And guess what? That could be you. If you have expertise in a subject and a passion for teaching, you can become an online tutor. The opportunities are endless. Setting up for online tutoring is easier than you might think. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a computer, and some basic teaching tools. Many platforms provide digital whiteboards, video conferencing tools, and other resources to help you deliver effective lessons. The interaction between students and tutors can be just as meaningful online as it is in person. In fact, some students find it easier to ask questions and engage in discussions in a virtual setting, and the feedback from students can be incredibly rewarding. Knowing that you've helped someone understand a difficult concept or achieve their academic goals is a great feeling. There are numerous platforms out there where you can offer your tutoring services. From specialized subjects to general education, the demand is vast. Signing up is usually straightforward. You create a profile, list your qualifications, and start connecting with students who need your help. You can even teach group classes, reaching multiple students at once. This not only maximizes your impact, but also allows for collaborative learning experiences. So, if you're looking for a flexible and rewarding way to share your knowledge, consider becoming an online tutor. The rise of online learning is just the beginning, and there's a place for you in this exciting new world. Thanks for watching and happy teaching. So, why become an online tutor? It's a question many people are asking these days, especially with the rise of digital learning platforms and the increasing demand for personalized education. Well, for starters, it's incredibly rewarding. Imagine the joy of seeing a student finally grasp a concept they've been struggling with, or the pride in watching them achieve their academic goals. You get to share your knowledge and passion with students and watch them grow. It's not just about teaching, it's about inspiring and motivating them to reach new heights. Plus, it's a great way to earn extra income. Whether you're looking to supplement your current job or seeking a full-time career, online tutoring offers financial benefits that can be quite substantial. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Talk about flexibility. This means you can balance your work with other commitments, whether it's family, hobbies, or travel. But it's not just about the perks. The preparation and planning that go into each lesson can be intellectually stimulating and creatively fulfilling. Online tutoring is a chance to make a real difference in the lives of students. You can provide personalized attention that they might not get in a traditional classroom setting. You can help them overcome challenges, achieve their goals, and develop a love for learning that lasts a lifetime, and reach their full potential. How awesome is that? The impact you can have as an online tutor is profound and far-reaching. You're not just teaching subjects, you're shaping futures and building confidence in young minds. Additionally, online tutoring provides opportunities for your own professional growth. You can attend virtual workshops, connect with other educators, and stay updated with the latest teaching strategies and technologies. The appreciation and gratitude you receive from students and their families can be incredibly fulfilling. Knowing that you've made a positive impact on someone's educational journey is a reward in itself. And let's not forget the comfort of working from your own space. You can create an environment that suits your style and needs, making your workday more enjoyable and productive. With a plethora of digital tools and resources at your disposal, you can make learning interactive and fun. This not only keeps students engaged, but also enhances their understanding and retention of the material. Celebrating milestones and sharing moments of joy with your students creates a bond that goes beyond the screen. These connections can be incredibly meaningful and long-lasting. In conclusion, becoming an online tutor is more than just a job. It's a fulfilling and dynamic career that offers personal satisfaction, professional growth, and the chance to make a lasting impact on the lives of students. So, why not take the leap and start your journey as an online tutor today? The first step is deciding what you want to teach and who you want to teach it to. Are you a math whiz, a history buff, a grammar guru? Pick a subject you're passionate about. Next, think about your ideal student. Do you enjoy working with young children, teenagers, or adults? Each age group has its own unique learning styles and needs. Choose what feels right for you. Now let's talk about the skills you need to succeed as an online tutor. Obviously, you need a strong grasp of your chosen subject. But that's not all. Patience, empathy, and excellent communication skills are key. Remember, you're not just teaching a subject, you're teaching a person. You need to be able to connect with your students, understand their struggles, and motivate them to learn. Section 5. Setting up your virtual classroom. Before you start tutoring, you need to set up your virtual classroom. This includes choosing a reliable video conferencing platform like Zoom or Skype, and investing in a good headset and microphone. You'll also want to create a dedicated workspace that's quiet, well-lit, and free from distractions. First impressions matter, even online. Section 6. Finding your first students. Ready to find your first students? There are tons of online platforms that connect tutors with students. Websites and apps like TutorMe, Schooly, and Chegg Tutors are great places to start. You can also spread the word through social media, local community groups, and even word of mouth. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Section 7. Mastering the art of online teaching. Online teaching requires a slightly different approach than traditional in-person tutoring. You need to be even more engaging and interactive to keep students focused and motivated. Use visuals, games, and real-world examples to bring your lessons to life. And don't forget to check in with your students regularly to make sure they're understanding the material. Section 8. Creating engaging and effective lessons. One of the keys to successful online tutoring is creating engaging and effective lessons. This means breaking down complex concepts into smaller, more manageable chunks. Use a variety of teaching methods to cater to different learning styles. Some students learn best by seeing, others by hearing, and others by doing. Mix it up. Section 9. Building relationships with students online. Building strong relationships with your students is crucial, even in the online world. Take the time to get to know them, their interests, and their learning goals. Create a safe and supportive learning environment where students feel comfortable asking questions and making mistakes. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. Section 10. The rewards of making a difference. Being an online tutor is more than just a job, it's a chance to make a real difference in the lives of your students. Every session you conduct, every lesson you plan, and every piece of advice you give can have a profound impact on a student's academic journey and personal growth. You have the power to inspire a love of learning, boost confidence, and help students achieve their dreams. Your guidance can turn a struggling student into a thriving one, and your encouragement can transform self-doubt into self-belief. The ripple effect of your efforts can extend far beyond the classroom, influencing their future choices and opportunities. Imagine the feeling of seeing a student's face light up when they finally grasp a difficult concept or ace a test they were struggling with. These moments of clarity and success are not just milestones for the students, but also for you as a tutor. They are a testament to your dedication, patience, and skill in making complex ideas accessible and engaging. That's the power of online tutoring. It's about building connections, fostering a supportive learning environment, and celebrating every small victory along the way. Each success story is a reminder of why you chose this path and the incredible impact you can have on the lives of your students. So, keep inspiring, keep teaching, and keep making a difference. The rewards are immeasurable. Section 11. Shaping the future of education. As technology continues to evolve, online learning is only going to become more prevalent. By becoming an online tutor, you're not just joining a growing field, you're shaping the future of education. You're part of a movement that's making education more accessible, affordable, and personalized for everyone. And that's something to be incredibly proud of.